This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if the most frustrating problem in your Audi is not under the hood, but right in front of you? The screen freezes, Bluetooth disconnects, navigation gets confused, menus become slow, and suddenly a premium car starts to feel annoying. Because here's the truth, modern Audi vehicles are not only mechanical machines anymore, they are rolling technology systems. Your MMI controls navigation, media, phone connection, vehicle settings, cameras, parking functions, driving modes, and many comfort features. So when the MMI starts acting strange, the whole car experience changes. Now here's the good news. Many Audi MMI problems are not serious. They are not expensive failures. They are often temporary glitches, connection conflicts, overloaded memory behavior, or settings problems. And that means many issues can be solved without a workshop. Let's start with one of the most common problems. A frozen screen. You tap the display. Nothing happens. You rotate the controller. No response. Menus lag or stop moving. Most drivers think the system is broken, but in many cases, it's just a software lock, like a smartphone that needs a restart. Temporary bugs happen when multiple processes run together, a device connects badly, or the system gets stuck loading data. Now let's talk about another common frustration. Bluetooth connection problems. Your phone connected yesterday. Today it refuses. Music cuts out. Calls drop. Contacts don't load. This usually comes from pairing conflicts, outdated phone permissions, or unstable background syncing. Now think about this. Many drivers keep changing phones, reconnecting randomly, and making the system more confused, instead of solving the root issue. Now let's talk about slow performance. Some people think older Audi systems become slow forever. Not always true. Sometimes the system is overloaded. Too many saved phones, too many recent devices, background syncing, navigation history clutter, unnecessary active functions. When digital systems become cluttered, they feel heavy, just like a slow computer. Now another common issue, navigation acting strangely. Before we continue, quick reminder, if you want real Audi fixes and practical solutions, subscribe now. It helps the channel massively to keep bringing you value. Wrong location, late directions, slow route calculation, map freezing. Sometimes it's map data. Sometimes poor GPS signal. Sometimes the system simply needs to refresh communication. Now here's something important. Not every warning sign means disaster. Many Audi owners panic too early. They see one black screen or one glitch and imagine a massive repair bill. But temporary electronic behavior is common in modern cars. The smart move is diagnosis first, reaction second. Now let's discuss camera and parking sensor problems. Rear camera delay, sensors beeping incorrectly, image loading slowly. These issues can come from dirty sensors, temporary startup lag, moisture, or communication delays. Again, not always failure. Now let's go deeper. Why does this happen more now than before? Because modern cars combine many systems: phone, navigation, audio, and driver assistance. When many systems talk together, occasional confusion happens. That's normal. The difference between a frustrated owner and a smart owner is knowing what to do next, and that's exactly what we'll cover in part 2. The exact steps for frozen screens and Bluetooth fixes. CarPlay and Android Auto problems, slow system recovery, when to reset, when to ignore, and when it's time to investigate hardware. Because sometimes the easiest repair is not replacing anything. It's understanding the system. And once you know how your Audi MMI behaves, you stop fearing glitches. You start solving them. Now let's fix the problems that frustrate Audi drivers the most. Because once you understand what causes these errors, many of them become simple. Let's start with the frozen screen. Your MMI stops responding. Menus don't move. Touch inputs fail. Audio may continue, but the screen is stuck. In many cases, this is not hardware failure. It's a temporary software lock. The first solution is a soft reboot. Restarting the MMI system often clears stuck processes and restores normal function. Many drivers skip this step and assume the worst. But simple resets solve more issues than most people realize. Now let's move to Bluetooth problems. Your phone connects one day, then refuses the next. Calls cut out. Music stutters. Contacts disappear. Usually this comes from connection conflicts. Too many remembered devices, old permissions, phone updates changing settings. The smart fix is simple. Delete unused paired devices. Remove your phone from the Audi system. Restart both phone and vehicle system. Then reconnect from zero. Fresh connections often solve everything. Now let's talk about Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is one of the biggest frustrations for modern owners. Screen not launching, random disconnects, lag, no sound. In many cases, the issue is not the Audi, it's the cable. Cheap or damaged cables create unstable communication. Always test with a quality-certified cable. Then check phone permissions. Many updates disable background access or media permissions without users noticing. Now let's talk about slow menus. The screen works, but everything feels heavy. Transitions lag, navigation loads slowly. Settings take time. This usually comes from digital clutter. Too many devices, too much stored history, old root data, unused connections. Reducing clutter can noticeably improve speed. Now here's another common issue: navigation confusion. Wrong position, late turns, signal jumping. Before blaming the car, consider environment. Underground parking, dense buildings, poor signal areas, temporary satellite issues. But if it happens often in open areas, map data or antenna communication may need attention. Before we continue, quick reminder: if you want real Audi fixes and practical ways to avoid wasting money, subscribe now. It helps the channel grow to keep bringing you value. Now let's talk about rear camera issues. Black screen when reversing. Delayed image. Camera unavailable message. Sometimes moisture, dirt, or temporary startup delay causes this. Try again after restarting the car. Clean the camera lens. Observe if it happens only in rain, cold weather, or random moments. Patterns matter. Now parking sensors, false beeps, random alerts, constant warning tone, often caused by dirt, water drops, ice, or sensor contamination. Cleaning sensors can solve more than expected. Now let's discuss when you should worry. If you experience daily black screens or repeated system restarts. No audio for long periods. Permanent connection failures. Camera never working. Multiple unrelated errors together. Then the issue may be deeper than software. That can mean battery voltage problems, module communication faults, or hardware wear. And this is why random parts replacement is a mistake. Diagnosis first, money later. Now let's connect everything. Most Audi MMI problems fall into 3 categories: software glitches, connection conflicts, and temporary communication issues. Not catastrophic failures. That knowledge alone saves stress, and often saves money. Because many owners pay for repairs when all they needed was a reset or a cleanup. Now think about this. The MMI is the digital face of your Audi. When it works badly, the whole car feels worse. When it works smoothly, the car feels premium again. Same engine, same vehicle, different experience. Before we finish, remember this. If you want more Audi fixes and practical solutions, subscribe now. It's free for you, but it helps the channel grow. Because once you understand the system, you stop reacting emotionally, you start solving problems intelligently, and that changes ownership completely. And once you know how your Audi MMI behaves, you stop fearing glitches, you start solving them.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter, spend less, unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.